Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Canon Pixma TS 3350, and now I'm gonna show you how to install paper in this printer. So firstly, I need to show you this place for paper cards. As you can see here, we have the paper cards lid, and we need to open it. And here, as you can see, we have this gray element, and by moving this element we can change the size of installed paper. For example, if you want to install A4 paper, you need to just install it and feed this gray element, and as you can see, it's free, it's not jumped, it's not pressed, so paper cards needs to feel free but not too free. Okay, but if you want to install A5 paper card, so just install A5 paper card and feed this gray element. And now when you will print the A5 card, so it will print on this card. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.